In this video, I will explain you how to create anonymous tip submission. First, you need to click Add on Enquiry form and then load form template. You can search anonymous tip submission, and then after you found it, click load selected template, and then you can check the dashboard, responses, question, and the settings. Just refresh the page and then click Enquiry form and get link, and then click continue, choose your account, click advance, and then go to Enquiry form, and then just click allow. You will get link like this. Just copy it and paste it into your search engine, and then the form is now ready to use. And you can also change the question as you want. Like for example, I want to insert a new row, and then I use radio button and just copy the text, and I change it into gender, and I fill the option, like for example male or female, and then it will show like this in the form. You can also add it, like for example age, and the option is up to you. For example, here I use less than 20 years old and more than 20 years old, and then it will show like that in the form. You can also delete the row if you don't need it anymore, so the row will disappear instantly. You can also change the background color of your form in the settings, so it will change. And also I will give you an example to change the style of the title. For example, here I delete the marked behavior, so the title will stuck like that. Thank you.